Let's cook afang soup. This food is very interesting. Please, only what you do, follow me to the end to see how I cook this soup in details, and do well to share this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. This is my water leaf, as you can see. This is my periwinkle, this is my kpomo, this is my stockfish, this is my dry fish. Then this is everything would be say I use. Now follow me down to it. I add my meat, dry fish, stockfish, everything. I'm adding it together. All right. As I add them, I can add my water leaf on top. Because water leaf get water already. That's why I will not add water to steam this meat. All right, or this stockfish. Now I add my onions on top. Then after this, I don't add any water. I cover the pot for 10 to 15 minutes. The water that was produced from the water leaf is what I use in cooking this fish and other stockfish. Now after that, I add my blended okazi with crayfish. I turn it. You have to keep on turning it, because if you do not turn this, it will get burnt under. All right, I have not added water yet. Then I add my dried pepper. Very important. I know you are finding it helpful. As I add, I keep on turning. Now I add my crayfish. Now I add my oil, but this is not the last oil I'm going to add. I will still add more oil. You have to keep on turning so that it will not get burnt. All right. After this, I turn it and wait for some time. Make sure that everything mixes together. I add onga seasoning. All right. As I add onga, so that it will get small flavor, because I'm not using any external thing. I add my Maggi seasoning. All right. As I add, I still turn to make sure that everything mixes together and so that it will not get burnt. What do you think about this video? I add what? Small pinch of salt, because I'm not adding much water so that it will not be salty. Small pinch of salt. Now I add my final red oil. Then add my periwinkle. That's the last thing I add for this soup. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Please drop your comments, and what do you want me to cook again? Tell me on the comment section. I will be glad to receive your comments, and I will make sure that I satisfy you and teach you how to cook it. Then after everything, adding the last oil, I cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, then I open the food, turn again, and now food is ready. Tell me what you think about it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, like, comment, and also share. Thank you for watching.